how to cancel Google Workspace subscription. So if you have also subscribed to any of the Google Workspace subscription, and whether it's a free trial version or other subscription, here's what you can do to cancel it. So first, just head over to your browser and simply log into your Workspace account. So as you can see, I'll simply open up my example. So once you're inside your admin panel, under the left section, you can just enroll or drop down menu of billing address. You can simply extend it and simply click on this subscription button over here, and here you should see all of your subscriptions. So in this case, this one is the subscription, so simply tap on this. As you can see, it will start in 13 days, so that means the paid service will start in 13 days. So I still have time, but I want to cancel it, so I'll just tap on this. And once you tap on this, you should be heading over to this page where you can see this more button over here. Just tap on that and just click on this cancel subscription button over here. And once you tap on that, you should be heading over to this screen where you can also downgrade instead of simply canceling. But since we want to cancel, just click on cancel subscription. And you just have to provide your reason over here and just click on continue. And again, enter your registered email address, that is your admin email address. And once you again log in with your login credentials, you will finally get this screen saying cancellation successful. So that's it for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.